Hi everyone! Let's learn the names of some cute animals today. Dolphin. Dolphins can jump and whistle in the sea. Lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. Cow. Cows give us fresh milk to drink. Octopus. An octopus has 8 clever arms. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings to fly. Elephant. Elephants have big trunks and ears. Crab. Crabs walk sideways on the sand. Dog. Dogs are friendly pets and loyal friends. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. Jellyfish. Arrow. Jellyfish float and glow in the water. Horse. Horses can run very fast and strong. Parrot. Parrots are colorful and can copy sounds. Shark. Sharks have sharp teeth for hunting. Cat. Cats love to purr and sleep in cozy spots. Penguin. Penguins waddle and love to swim. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on land. Sheep. Sheep have soft and fluffy wool. Crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers with sharp teeth. Bee. Bees make honey from flowers. Whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. Monkey. Monkeys climb trees and love to play. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and no face. Goat. Goats have horns and love to climb. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Lobster. Lobsters have big red claws. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in a pouch. Hen. Hens lay eggs for us to eat.
Bark.
Snake. Snakes slither silently on the ground. Seal. Seals clap their flippers and swim. Bear. Bears are big and sleep all winter. Ladybird. Ladybirds are tiny insects with red spots.